Hopefully there is something in this box that is going to make my recording process and my setup a little bit better. And I'll tell you why as I open it. So basically, I recently got sent a teleprompter from Newer. Teleprompter is really good. It is going to make a big difference. This is not prompted. I haven't wrote out a script for this. This came today and I just wanted to do a quick video on it before I set it up. The problem with a teleprompter is so big, and it comes with its own monitor, I can't see the screen now on the camera. So even though I've got it aiming towards me, I can't see it. I can just see the edge. So I know it's recording. I can see it flashing to let me know it's recording. But I can't see whether it's in focus. I can't, none of that. So I bought a cable that allows me to connect a HDMI cable up to my camera and then use an external monitor. So I thought, well, I'm running out of external monitors, so I'm going to buy one. And that's what I've done. So in this box here, we have a 7-inch touchscreen. Now I'm not interested in the touchscreen. I just wanted a 7-inch screen, a small little monitor that wasn't going to break the bank, that was IPS, because the monitor I've got at the moment is not IPS and it's crap. The viewing angles are crap, the colours are crap, it's just crap. But what we get in this little box is, obviously, you get instructions, and it is a 7-inch IPS 1024 by 600. Which is a decent resolution for a little 7-inch screen as well. You then get a bag of accessories. So what do we get in here? We get a HDMI cable. We get USB-A to USB-C. We get 2 of these. Now these are part of a stand if you want to actually just use the monitor standing up. And that's what I'm going to be doing. Probably. You then get some fitment screws depending on how you want to mount it. You can actually mount a Raspberry Pi to the back of the screen as well. And you've got a micro... Oh, bloody typical. I've just paid £7 for one of these that plugs into my camera for the HDMI. It comes with this. Oh my God. Anyway, it also comes with... I believe it is a micro HDMI, but I could be wrong. Let me just have a quick look. Yeah, micro HD adapter. So micro HDMI to HDMI. So yeah, I've literally just paid £7 for one of these on Amazon that was delivered yesterday to see if I could get all this to work. And then when I could, I then ordered this. Yep, you are one. As I say, I can't see, I can't even, yeah, the mic's working. Right, put it over there a minute. So we don't need all these fitments. And then we get the monitor itself. Yeah, now as you can see, unlike a traditional monitor, there's no back to this. It's exposed, which may cause some issues, but it may not. Now you can actually attach a Raspberry Pi to the back of this. And then you've got HDMI, USB-C power, you've got audio. First of all, I am just gonna power this up via the laptop, just to make sure it works. Again, my trusty Ace Magic laptop has been putting in a lot of work lately. I've been doing script writing up here. I've also been having a chat with my best friend and partner on this channel. And then that into there. Now I don't like the fact that it's all exposed. Can I get an electric shock? I don't know. Should I lick it? No, I really shouldn't. Right, now we should have power. So how do you turn it on? It's, there you go. And I don't know how well you can see that, but that is now mirroring my laptop. Now we can do the unpeeling, now that we know it works. So first of all, you've just got this little piece of plastic straight in the bin. And then you've got the screen kind of protector. Okay, so first things first, that's really annoying. Okay, so the thicker bezel is the bottom. That's actually a pretty nice screen. Now it is touchscreen, it's not gonna work, I don't think. It does. It works as a touchscreen. So if I wanted to, like if I want to open up my computer, double tap that, there we go. I was being a little bit. So it does actually work as a touchscreen as well. Now it won't with the camera when I'm using it just as a monitor. But for this cost me £40 on Amazon. With all the kind of, you know, with your HDMI cable, your USB-C cable, your adapter, that I just paid £7 for. But at least I now know, because I'm going to buy another one of these, I don't need a second adapter. And it also comes with a teeny tiny screwdriver that Linus Tech Tips would be jealous of. This is class. This is worth the £40, this screwdriver, yeah. Now I've seen you can use these in like the side of your PC and things to have it as a second monitor, and then you can monitor temperatures and different things. But I am just going to be using it as a monitor. Right, now the only thing is, as I say, I am slightly concerned about touching the back, but I'm guessing it's fine because it's kind of designed to be used like this. I bet, does it go through there? No. Wait. So it's behind it. Ah, you Wally. Okay, yeah. armor deck, it goes over that. So you screw it in to the actual to the mounting. Okay, so now we know how to do it. Let's just lay that down a minute. And then it obviously goes on like that. So let's get this little Linus Tex. I've actually bought a screwdriver, not one of his, because I looked at the price and I was like, yeah, nope. I'm probably going to put it, as I say, attach it somehow to a board of some kind. But that is how it works. And actually, that's not a terrible angle. So yeah, that is how it will sit on the desk. That's the angle you get. I'm still slightly concerned about the back being exposed, but I don't know if that's going to be an issue long term. Any of you guys out there know whether that would be an issue, please let me know, because I'm new to this. I'm adding to my setup all the time. I've got a new light, which I'm about to unbox as well. I'm hoping this new light works out well. I've made a boo-boo. I put the things on there, and I don't know if you can see the writing on the back. Yeah, I've put them on the top. I said on this channel I like playing with tech. I've never said I know what I'm doing. I had a 50-50 chance of getting that right as well. But yeah, you'd think I would have actually looked and paid attention. But me, pay attention. Do not be stupid. That's better. Now it is the right way up. Bang! Ah, for fuck's sake. I'm hoping I don't have to take them all the way out. I can just loosen it, spin it round. Sometimes I really wonder what is wrong with me. Right. Now we are sorted. Right, that does it for this bit. I will just quickly show it on the actual camera in a minute. But yeah, this is not a majorly long video, deep dive into it or anything. But if you're looking for a small 7-inch touchscreen as well, that can be used with laptop, computer, monitor, it can be used as a camera, it can be used with as a camera screen. I'll show you it set up. Ignore the mess on the shelf, because yeah, at the moment it is a bit of a mess, and I've got wires everywhere. I have not kind of finalised anything yet. I've not set anything up permanently, but as you can see, the camera and the huge teleprompter from Newer is there, and I've now got the little monitor up there. So that is kind of my setup at the moment. I've just got one light on me at the moment to see what it looks like, but this is just one of my standard lights. Not, I'm going to set up the other light in a minute and see the difference. That does it for this video. It's only a quickish video. I know none of my videos are quick, are they? Come on, too much. But hey, that's me. What can I say? That's me, and I'm not going to apologise for it. I'm sorry, I am. I'm so sorry. I can't help it. I'm on medication. It doesn't work. But no, joking aside. So far, I'm now playing with this. I'll tell you. Concentrate. I come up here, set up my studio to try and be more professional. It's not working. But I lost a bug for this a little bit, because of setting it up all the time downstairs and then putting things away, and then my wife moaning about the mess, which is fair enough. I did have stuff absolutely everywhere. But now I've come up and I've kind of got my own little space. I've got some good ideas, I think, coming up for the videos. I'm going to try and bring the humour back, because I was watching some of my early videos the other day, and although they're quite cringy to watch yourself, I noticed I had fun. When I was buying things myself, I had fun. There was less pressure, because I could have fun opening it, I could have fun reviewing it. When companies started sending me stuff, they started, taking my channel a little bit more seriously. I started to take myself more seriously, because I thought, if I'm reviewing something that's been sent to me, I've got to respect that company. I've got to respect that product. The simple fact is, if those companies genuinely watched my earlier videos and thought, hey, we like your style, we're sending you this product if you'd like it, then they know my kind of style is just to have a bit of fun, have a laugh. I'm not one of the serious reviewers. I'm not going to go into the all the features, all the specs of something, you know, the battery capacity down to the tiniest bit and run battery tests and everything. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to be that person. I've got to start having fun again, because that's what this was, you know, I love playing with tech. I absolutely love playing with tech. I may not always know what I'm doing, but I like figuring it out. I like seeing what things are good, what things are bad. You can get some real bargains that are bloody good, and you can spend a lot of money on things that are crap. So I am going to start to have more fun with the videos. Am I going to disrespect products? No. The fun will always be aimed at me and my lack of kind of skills, if you like. But yeah, I'm going to go back to basics. Unbox things in a light-hearted way. Review things in a light-hearted way. As I was saying, I'm going to start having more fun. So, you know, knock knock. How can I do a knock knock joke? No one's there to fucking say, who's there? Idiot. Oh my God. Why did the hedgehog cross the road? To see his flatmate. I meant I'll have more fun. I didn't mean you'll have more fun, all right? I'm going to have more fun. I want to get this setup space as good as I can get it to make the videos as good as I can, basically. So they look good, they sound good. And who knows, in another 5, maybe 10 years, I might actually know what I'm doing when I'm opening boxes and telling you about stuff. I doubt that'll happen, but you never know. I might end up good at this. So make sure you subscribe, click that little bell icon, whatever, so you get all my notifications and you see all my future beautiful videos, okay? Give this video a like, because I'm just a likeable guy, okay? I'm just likeable. That does it for this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you haven't, I do apologise. I will do better next time. Promise. Scalps on and all that. I want in the scalps. Dib, dib, dib. Yeah. I'll catch you again soon, guys. Bye for now.